And we're down to the last four sums. Number 16, the lowest common multiple of 4, 5 and 6. Is it 20, 30 or 60? Now, what multiple is shared by 4, 5 and 6? Well, let's look at the 5s. Skip counting 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and it continues like that. What multiple is shared by 4, 5 and 6? Or what number can I divide 4 into and 5 into and 6 into? Well, I can divide 4 into 20, but I can't divide 6 into 20. I can divide 5 into 30 and 6 into 30, but I can't divide in 4. I can divide 4 into 60, yes. I can divide 5 into 60, yes. And I can divide 6 into 60. So 60 is a multiple they all share, and it's the lowest common multiple. 120 is also a common multiple, but it's not the lowest. Number 17. Tara spent 2/5 of her money on a ball and had €24 left. This is a problem solving or a word problem sum. How much was the ball? And it gives us options there. Now, her name is Tara, irrelevant. She bought a ball. Again, it's irrelevant. But what is important is that she spent 2/5 of her money. Now, if she spent 2/5, that means she has 3/5 left. Okay, and we know how much money she has left. She's €24. So 3/5 equals 24. There's my number sentence. I can work from that. If I know what 3/5 are, I'll find first what 1/5 is. Divide 3 into 24, which is 8. So 1/5 is 8, and her whole amount then would be 5 times 8 is 40. But we can just simply find what we're asked, how much was the ball, which is 2/5, so it's double the 8, which is 16. 1.45 litres, we want to express it as milliliters. So we know that 1 litre is equal to 1,000 milliliters. So 1.45 litres is equal to 1,450 milliliters. 16.75 divided by 100. Now, when we're dividing by 100, what do? We move the decimal place. 1 place, 2 places to the left. Okay, so we move it 2 places left. So my answer here is 0.1675. And final one, what fraction is shaded? So we count up the amount of squares. We've got 3, 6, 9, and let's count how many are shaded. 1 and 3 here is 4, 5 and 6. So we got 6 out of the 9 are shaded. 6 out of 9 is shaded. And we're going to simplify that fraction. Well, I can divide 3 into the top, which is 2, and divide that 3 into the bottom, which is 3. Remember, 6/9 is equivalent to 2/3. So my answer here is, in its lowest form, or its simplest form, should I say, is 2/3. And there we have our first day of the week done. That's week 27. Next we'll move on to Tuesday for tomorrow.